I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need access to the device and the Apple ID credentials. Once done, back up your game progress to iCloud or export from the game, because deleting an Apple ID can remove saves. Make sure you note any third-party links like Facebook or Google now. Those are how some games restore progress. Next, force quit the game and open settings. You will switch accounts or remove the Apple ID from the game profile shortly. You now remove the Apple ID references. First, sign out under Settings, Media, and Purchases, which severs App Store ties. Then go to Game Center in Settings and sign out or change to a different Apple ID. This prevents automatic restore. Inside the game, open its Account or Connect menu and unlink the Apple ID or choose a guest/local profile. Because some games cache authentication, restart the device after To finish, if the game still uses the old Apple ID, delete and reinstall it so it prompts for a fresh sign-in. Once reinstalled, restore your saved data from iCloud or the exported file, and reconnect Facebook or Google if that's how you saved progress. If something goes wrong, sign out of iCloud temporarily and try again, or contact the game's support team with your backup details. This tip solves most stubborn account binding problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.